Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to this brand new CPA marketing tutorial. Do you want to make money with CPA marketing? If yes, then complete this tutorial. Step by step, I will show you everything. It's a 100% free and hassle-free method. And if you are a newbie, if you are an expert, it doesn't matter. If you can follow this system step by step, then you must get better result. And I will show you step by step everything. So guys, if you're really interested, then complete this tutorial. And after completing this tutorial, if you think it's perfect, then like this video. And if you have any question, then comment in the comment box without any hesitation. Now let me introduce myself first. I'm Rajubhadra. I'm an affiliate marketer over 9 years. I am working here, and if you first time inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. And I hope you never be disappointed to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can check my YouTube channel, a lot of money making opportunities here. Okay, and if you want to get 10 free income increasing bonuses, then check my video description and download this 10 income increasing bonuses for 100% free. And I hope you must enjoy all these free bonuses inside my video description. And if you want to join my personal training program, and if you want to make money with CPA marketing, ClickBank, Zebizu, Warrior Plus, then you can join my personal training program. You will get my real life case studies here, how I make money with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing. You will get everything here. You can apply this system and you can get results like me, and you can make $2,000 per month or more just applying my tips and tricks inside my training program. And you will get 3 packages here, one for basic and it's $10, another is a standard for $25, and another is premium for $50. You can check my video description. Now I will show you this brand new CPA marketing system that will help you to make CPA profits. And in this method, in this tutorial, I will show you 3 steps that if you can follow these 3 steps, you can apply this method and you can earn CPA profits. At the first, you have to create your account on any CPA network. And for this method, I choose this CPA network, cpalead.com. Okay. Now you have to simply sign up here, or you can log in just using your Gmail account. Okay, let's see. Okay, log in with Google. Okay, you can choose any of the account. That's done. Okay, your account is ready to promote CPA offers. Now go here, offers. Choose United States and any type of offer, all device, all advisors, everything. Okay, now browse these offers. You can promote any of the offers, but in this method I will show you this cash for survey. People can make money working at home, and for this cash for survey, if you visit this offer, you see here this offer name, cash for survey. If you promote this offer, this payout 58 cent, and it's only for United States. And here's your affiliate link. It's your first step. You have to create your account and choose any of the cash app related offer, cash for survey offers inside this CPA leads. Now go here, Linktree. Okay, and you have to add your affiliate link here. It's your title, cash for survey. Now go here, Linktree. Simply create your account on Linktree, then add new link. Here's your title. Now copy this title. Okay, then your affiliate link. Copy this link. Then go here, this URL section, and paste URL. Okay, you see here, cash for survey. Now you have to promote this link. Just click the share button and copy this link. Okay, now you have to share this link to promote CPA offers and make money on CPA marketing. Now I will show you 100% free traffic sources. But before this, if you first time inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to grab all these 10 income increasing bonuses, then check my video description. And if you want to join my personal training program and want to make money with CPA marketing, ClickBank, JBZ, Warrior Plus, and many other high ticket programs, then you can join my personal training program inside my video description. Now the free traffic sources, and it's the final steps. For this, search on Google global free classified ads and go here globalfreeclassifiedads.com. Inside here you see, and just simply create your account using your email address or using your Facebook account. Okay. After that, you can change location. For this method, I choose United States offers, so I change this location United States. Okay, you can change location for any all over the world. Okay, let's check it. Okay, it's loading. Just I will show you everything. Don't cut this video. Complete this tutorial at the end. Okay, you can change any location. Looks here. You see here all the country. Okay, you see here all country here. Okay, you see here all the states. All the states of United States. And now you see here all the countries. It's for United States, Afghanistan, Albania, all countries here, all countries. If you suppose you want to promote any Afghanistan related offer, you can choose Afghanistan. If you want to promote any France related offer, then you can choose France. You see here all country here, all over the world. If you promote any Canada related offers, then you see here Canada. If you promote any United Kingdom related offer, then you see here United Kingdom. Every country is available here. For this method, I want to choose United States. That's it. And you see here it's all region. Now I choose United States and it turns into United States. That I have to place ads here, and it's 100% free. You don't need to pay any single cent to place ads here, and you can get a lot of United States traffic to your ads. Now I will show you how you can place your ads step by step. Don't miss any part from here. You see here I change this location United States. Now you have to post an ad, and you can post ad under this category: announcement, buy and sell, property for rent, real estate for sale, services, pet and animals, jobs, business opportunities. Okay, now go here, post an ad. This section, post an ad. Don't worry, it's so easy and so simple. If you want to post any ads inside these global free classified ads, then you have to need a title first, then a short description, then a image. Okay, you need a image and your destination URL, and it's your linked URL. Okay, then go the post ad section. You have to choose the category first. Okay, you can choose any of the categories. Now business opportunities, click the business opportunities. Okay, now you have to choose any other subcategory. Work at home. Okay, now you see here your post format, it's for 30 days. Okay, fine. Then the title: earn money, just fill up a simple survey. Okay, fine. Then description, you can put the same description. It's for anyone. You can make money just working at home. You can write this type of description. Okay, fine. here's the asking price, not necessary here. You don't need to do anything, it's for free. Then your phone number, it's not mandatory. Then country location, it's United States. Okay, even you can, if you wish, you can add any reasons, but don't need for this method. Then you are not a robot. Then your website URL, and it's your Linktree URL. Just copy this URL, made it, just okay. Then go here the next step, and you have to just upload your image. And how you can get your image here, you can go and you see here it's your image. You can download this image, or you can search on Google Cash App related image. You can easily download this image and upload this image here. Okay, okay, here's two short description. You have to write more description here, more than 300 characters, and you can easily get on Google. Then search on Google, and here you have to select any of the specific location. You can put it New York State. Okay, that's it. Then you can put the city. That's it. Okay, then you are not a robot. And after completing this 300 character, you can go the next step to upload image and make your post published. So guys, that's it. It's the free traffic sources, and if you can apply these traffic sources, then you can earn CPA profits. So guys, that's it. If you really like this video, like this system, then like this video. And if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first time inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel. A lot of money making opportunities here. And if you want to grab this 10 income increasing bonuses, then check my video description. And if you want to join my personal training program, then you can join here to get my real life case study to make money with CPA marketing, ClickBank, JPZoo, and Warrior Plus. So guys, that's it. God bless you. Bye.